Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Good work, Agent. These buttons will allow you to grab any item you find in the world and to pull open certain doors as well. Don't worry, Agent Miller. I will show you how that works in just a few minutes. Next, use your index fingers to press the trigger buttons on your controllers. These buttons will help you open certain drawers found in the world. Very good, Miller. I can see why they chose you for this assignment. Now try pressing the glowing buttons with your thumbs. That's it, Agent Miller. You're getting the hang of this. The Y button will lower your height level. This will enable you to reach items that are lower to the ground. Go ahead and give it a try. That was impressive. You must have graduated top in your class. The B button will increase your height back to starting position. Go ahead and give that a try. Once again, you surpassed all reasonable expectations. Maybe you should consider asking for a raise. The menu button will bring up a special device known as the tablet. Go ahead and try that now. That was absolutely spectacular. You are such a natural, Agent Miller. If you press the grip button with your middle finger, you will be able to grab the tablet. Let's try that now. Wow, now that was a thing of beauty. You are like a finely tuned machine. Use your index finger to turn on the tablet. Look for the glowing red button and press it using your index finger. Place your hand on the fingerprint scanner you see displayed on your screen. Now use your index finger to select the glowing image. Go ahead and give that a whirl. See that door in front of you? Use the thumbsticks to make your way over to the door. Your left thumbstick will move you forward and backward, and your right thumbstick will rotate your view. Give that a try. Now, press and hold your grip button to open the door. You will see it highlight in blue. I must say, you have such a gentle touch, Miller.